guys, welcome to Straight Outta Osaka. I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make homemade shoyu ramen and chashu. Ramen is one of the most popular food in Japan. I think shoyu ramen is everyone's favorite flavor from children to adult. In this video, I'm gonna make pork chashu with the shoyu ramen so you can enjoy both of them. Okay, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients for making the pork chashu. First, making the sauce for chashu. Put a little kombu in a bowl and add cooking sake, mirin, soy sauce, and light soy sauce. If you don't have light soy sauce, you can use regular soy sauce, but add about a half teaspoon of salt, then put in the fridge. Australian pork belly comes with a hard skin, so I will remove it. Then trim the tendon of the pork. To make it as easy as possible to roll and to absorb all the flavor and heat, make shallow incisions along the pork belly. Then stab it with a fork all over the back and front so that the flavors and heat penetrate easily. If there is moisture floating on the surface of the meat, wipe them off with a paper towel. Then roll up the pork and wrap with cooking string in the following manner. Place the pork on the cooking string and make a single knot. With the shorter end, loop it around the knot again to make it more secure. Make another knot on top. Grab the string and vertically wrap the pork as you flip it over. Using your fist, wrap the string away from you to create a loop. Then put the loop through the pork and tighten. Repeat this until you reach the end. When it's done, flip the pork over and cut the string with excess. Wrap and pull through every interval you have created until the end. Retie the ends with a starting string. Make a double knot to secure the pork. Okay, it's done. Now for the soup. These are ingredients for making soup. The first step, open up 3 whole chicken bones. Then pour boiling water the inside and outside. And clean the chicken bones under running water to remove the internal organs, blood, and excess fat. This process is an important part of making a good soup, so clean the bones well. At this time, if you break the bones a little and use a thumb to push out the internal organs on the bone, it will be easier to remove. Put the cleaned chicken bones and the pork in the pot and fill it with the 3 liters of water. Place over high heat. If you see any scum, don't remove it right away. Remove it when it turns a little brown and becomes more clumpy like this. After removing the scum, turn the heat low and add the green part of the leek, half an onion, 4 dried shiitake, 4 slices ginger, half of whole garlic, 20 grams of kombu, and 50 ml of cooking sake. Then simmer for 2 hours. In the meantime, I make ramen eggs for topping. Place the eggs in boiling water. After 7 minutes, remove the eggs and immediately place them in ice water. Then after about 15 minutes, remove it from ice water and set aside. After 2 hours of simmering, remove only the kombu and the green part of the leek and the pork. Simmer the soup for another 30 minutes. In the meantime, I will cook the pork. Grill over medium-high heat and golden brown the surface slightly. Once golden brown, add the prepared chashu sauce. Remove a little kombu before add. Turn it over several times. After a few minutes, turn off the heat and set aside to cool. Once it's cool, put the pork and the chashu sauce in a Ziploc bag, but before that, take 50 ml of the chashu sauce for eggs. Mix the same amount of water with the chashu sauce you just took. Peel the boiled eggs and place them in a cup or container with a mixture of the chashu sauce and water. Cover it with a paper towel to ensure even absorption. Place in the fridge to marinate until serving. After additional 30 minutes of simmering, add the katsuobushi in the soup, then simmer another 30 minutes. In the meantime, I will make shredded Japanese leek called shiraganegi for topping. Cut the white part of the leek into 5 to 6 cm pieces. Then make a slit lengthwise and remove the core from the center. Flatten and layer the leek like so and cut into thin pieces. After cutting, place in ice water and soak for 5 to 10 minutes. After soaking, remove the leek from the ice water and dry them well with a paper towel. After 3 hours of simmering the soup, remove the chicken bones and vegetables. Now I'm going to sieve the soup. I prefer to use the paper towel as the soup comes out much smoother. It's a beautiful soup. Prepare the pork chashu. Keep the remaining chashu sauce for later. Cut the pork into thin slices as you like. Look how juicy! Use a torch or frying pan to bring out the color of the chashu. Strain the chashu sauce to make a clean soup. Put 1.5 tablespoons of the chashu sauce and 1 teaspoon of Shio koji or half teaspoon of salt in a bowl. I use Japanese fresh noodles, but dried or frozen noodles are fine. Boil the noodles for the time indicated on the package. My noodles cooks in 1 minute. While the noodles are cooking, pour the soup into a bowl. Drain the noodles and put in a soup. Top with shiraganegi, chashu, ramen egg, and menma if you have it. Let's serve it up! I just cooked it for 3 hours, but the soup is so delicious, very flavorful and light. This ramen is made at home and tastes so authentic.
いただきます。
Making the soup with chicken bones may be a bit of a challenge, but on weekends or cold days, I think it's nice to just sit at home and enjoy making ramen. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Please leave a comment below if you have any question or thoughts. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!